2026 Evolving South India Business Excellence Awards convenes regional economic drivers in Bangalore *. Bangalore 21st February 2026. Prestige CRPR is bringing together South India's commercial sector as founders, investors, and industry leaders from across 5 states gather at the Ramda by Windham Bangalore Yelahanka for the Evolving South India Business Excellence Awards 2026. Moving away from the traditional nature of corporate award ceremonies, this initiative focuses strictly on tangible market impact. The core premise driving the platform is that in a highly competitive regional market, recognition must translate into functional business assets, specifically building consumer trust, establishing industry authority, and reducing friction in sales and negotiations. Organized by Prestige CRPR, the platform evaluates enterprises operating across Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana. Following successful frameworks executed in Kolkata and Guwahati, the South Indian edition recognizes achievements across more than 100 specialized categories. These span critical sectors of the region's economic engine, including technology startups, MSMEs, healthcare, real estate, manufacturing, finance, and education. Adding a notable profile to the industry evaluations, Olympic medalist and former world #1 badminton player Saina Nehwal serves as the chief guest, presenting the honors to the top-performing companies. The event also features Kannada film actor Bhargav B. V. as the
Then it's good. So it's very lovely to have you, and we have one more special person here. That is your father. So can we have him on the stage? And then I think the most daring person to take the risk at that point of time and putting me in a sport like badminton. Thank you. I don't think so. Without his support, your family support, you would have reached this heights, right? So please, can you talk about him for a minute?
Me?
Yeah.
I think whatever I can say is less for him, being a scientist, and taking that decision in '99 that I can be a sports person. I don't think it's a very easy thing to do. If I think myself as Harveer Singh today, I would have been like, what am I doing? I have to take care of 3 people, housewife and 2 kids, and he is like not thinking about which sport, what it is, but standing with me throughout and not even thinking about I should be best in the world. That was my mom's work. She was mad behind me. But he was the one giving the money and just thinking about my kid is doing well and I should support Saina. And because he used to love sports, he told me later about his feelings that I used to love sports and I didn't get chance to play. But I saw a player in you. You were very dedicated and I put all the efforts in that, and I think he's really happy and proud that I could do something for the nation, and I'm so thankful to have a father like him, and I thank God that maybe that जो भी next जन्म में भी हो ऐसे ही father मिले ताकि ऐसे ही sports में आऊँ मैं. So thank you so much.
Specialize in buying and selling land, purchasing in the process. So we are the #1 in coastal Karnataka. Today I am very proud to say I am having this award, and also proud to say presented by this award by Saina Madam Ji. I am the one of the fan follower of Saina Madam. Proud to say here sharing that moment. So this is a good moment for in my life. This we complete that 5 years and looking more awards in the future and giving good service to the society. Thank you so much.
ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉತ್ತರ ಕನ್ನಡ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫೌಂಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ಐಕ್ಯೂರ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಸೈನ್ಸಸ್ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ನಾವು 4 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಈ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯನ್ನು ರನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ನಾವು ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 20,000 ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪ್ರಮೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಳಸದೆ ಕೃಷಿಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ಉದ್ದೇಶ. ಸೊ ನಾವು 4 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಡೋರ್ ಟು ಡೋರ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆನೂ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸೈನಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರುವುದು ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ಗೆ ನನ್ನದೊಂದು ಟೀಮ್ ಅವುಗಳೇ ಕಾರಣ ಆಗಿರತ್ತೆ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಒಬ್ಬನ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಟೀಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿರತ್ತೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
So I think business awards are also as important as any award, because I think every field requires a lot of motivation and encouragement. And I would like to thank sir for hosting such big awards, business excellence awards, and making me a part of it. And I'm so proud to give the awards to all the perfect people out there who have achieved so well in their business fields. And I wish them all the best for the future.
Madam, how this awards will inspire other outcome, entrepreneurs?
No, I think it's
especially in the tier
yeah.
2 cities, as you are from a tier 2 cities.
So I think by seeing such great entrepreneurs, the others get motivated and encouraged, and they are also seeing that there's so many people who are doing well in businesses, and they are becoming big entrepreneurs. So I'm sure this will give a lot of confidence to youngsters as well. And all the people are believing that now they can be a business person, which is very nice to see that. And India is growing, and hopefully in the future we have a lot more business people out there.
What is your future plans?
Future plans, I think I just retired, so I think I'll take some time to see what I want to do in the future. But at the moment I'm very happy motivating youngsters and giving a lot of motivational talks to them. And let's see in the future, you never know.